Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and you might have missed this, so we are going to show you. We have 3 fold-it cards. We have a fun ladybug fold-it. We have a fun popsicle fold-it, and we have a fun ice cream truck fold-it. Now let me show you how awesome these are. Now if you missed our live event where we released these, you'll want to go check out that video because I show you how to make these step by step. But look at how cute that little guy is. I made this one in the video, by the way. I made this one. And then here's a cute one because you can also add those fun dots if you want to. That's an option. I didn't add it in mine, but you could add it in yours if you want to. Here's another fun blue one. Ooh, or one even out of glitter paper. Now here's the ice cream truck, and let me tell you, it does not have to be an ice cream truck if you don't want it to be. Here, these are both ice cream trucks, but what I also have is, look at this one. How cute is this? Catherine made this for Ken. Ken was a UPS driver for 24 years, and so this is just to show that he was a UPS driver, and how cute is that? It's mailing those packages. How fun to give a little gift card to your UPS driver at Christmas time, make it looking like this. Wouldn't that be cute? Here's a cute one with popsicles and our cute little penguins peeking out here and there. And that ladybug. Look at how fun this ladybug is. Now you would think you can't do a ladybug in looking different, but look, boom, those two look totally different, don't they? Then I have some more. I have a pink one if we want to go pink. Cute. Then we have, oh, here's one. Here's another one with our fun shabby chic flowers on there. So different yet so fun. Oh, and here's another cute one. I love these. They're so cute. Go check out the website and make sure you go check out the video to shows you exactly how to make these because they are amazing. And thank you so much. I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.